The four maras are the four types of obstructive, demonic forces, sometimes also translated as demons, which create obstacles to practitioners on the spiritual path. It is important to understand that they have no inherent existence and are only created by the mind, according to Sutrayana. The mara of the aggregates, skandhamara, which symbolizes our clinging to forms, perceptions, and mental states as real. The mara of the destructive emotions, kleaamara, which symbolizes our addiction to habitual patterns of negative emotion. The mara of the Lord of Death, mrtyumara, which symbolizes both death itself, which cuts short our precious human birth, and also our fear of change, impermanence, and death. The mara of the sons of the gods, mrtyumara, which symbolizes our craving for pleasure, convenience, and peace.